Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for the following counties in Michigan: Cass, Darien, Kalamazoo, Branch, St. Joseph, Van Buren, Calhoun, Jackson, Hillsdale, Lenawee. Since July 4, 2021, 982 people have went missing due to an unknown cause. Impact: your life is in immediate danger. Source: unknown. Recommended actions: keep your friends and immediate family and relatives in a safe area under watch, stay indoors, and keep a weapon, knife, gun, etc. near you at all times. Don't go outside, stay ready for a power outage. And if you do go outside, there is a curfew for 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.